Tammy Slaton, the reality television star known for her appearance on TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters, recently made headlines as she proudly showcased the results of her skin removal surgery while engaging with fans. The transformation has not only been physical but deeply emotional, marking a pivotal chapter in her weight loss journey. After years of struggling with obesity and its accompanying health challenges, Tammy's decision to undergo skin removal surgery was a long-awaited step toward reclaiming her confidence and redefining her lifestyle. Fans who have closely followed her journey expressed a mixture of admiration and excitement upon seeing her new appearance in person. During a recent meet and greet event, Tammy appeared vibrant and confident, smiling broadly as she greeted her supporters. The reality star's visible transformation, which includes the removal of excess skin following her significant weight loss, has been widely anticipated by her audience. Many fans took to social media to share their reactions, praising her courage and celebrating the results she has achieved. Tammy herself shared her emotions candidly, emphasizing how the surgery has helped her feel more comfortable in her own skin and allowed her to move more freely, engage in activities previously challenging, and embrace daily life with renewed energy. Tammy's journey to this milestone was not without obstacles. The 1000 LB Sisters star has openly discussed her struggles with weight management, mental health, and the complex emotions associated with major life changes. While her appearance on television captured many of the highs and lows of her journey, her decision to undergo skin removal surgery was a personal one, rooted in her desire for better health and self-esteem. The procedure, often recommended for individuals who experience massive weight loss, helps remove excess skin that can cause discomfort, hygiene challenges, and limitations in mobility. For Tammy, this surgery represented both a practical and emotional solution, symbolizing a fresh start after years of perseverance. Fans attending the event noted Tammy's upbeat demeanor and her willingness to connect with them personally. Despite her fame, she engaged in conversations, posed for photographs, and expressed genuine gratitude for the support she has received throughout her transformation. Many attendees commented on the visible difference in her body, highlighting the dramatic impact of the surgery. Social media quickly amplified these moments, with video clips and images circulating widely, sparking conversations about the challenges and successes associated with major weight loss and the subsequent skin removal. Tammy's story resonates with many viewers because it is not just about physical transformation but about the emotional journey behind it. Weight loss, particularly at the scale Tammy has experienced, often leaves individuals with lingering concerns about appearance, body image, and self-confidence. Skin removal surgery is frequently seen as the final step in a long and challenging process, offering tangible results that validate years of effort and discipline. In Tammy's case, the procedure appears to have provided a renewed sense of empowerment, allowing her to fully embrace her achievements and move forward with optimism. Medical experts emphasize that skin removal surgery is not merely cosmetic. The procedure can improve mobility, reduce irritation and infections caused by excess skin folds, and enhance overall quality of life. For Tammy, these benefits are particularly significant given her history of obesity-related health issues. By removing the physical barriers created by excess skin, she has gained greater freedom of movement and the ability to participate in activities that were previously difficult or impossible. Moreover, the surgery can contribute to improved mental health, as individuals often experience increased confidence and a more positive body image following recovery. Tammy's willingness to publicly share her journey has also helped raise awareness about the complexities of weight loss and post-bariatric procedures. Many fans have commented on her transparency, noting that she does not shy away from discussing the challenges she has faced, from emotional struggles to the physical realities of surgery and recovery. This openness provides a realistic portrayal of the difficulties and triumphs associated with extreme weight loss, offering inspiration and insight to those who may be navigating similar paths. Social media reactions have been overwhelmingly positive. Fans flooded platforms with messages of support, encouragement, and admiration for Tammy's courage. Some highlighted her visible scars, noting that they represent not imperfection but resilience and determination. Others praised her for taking proactive steps to improve her health and for demonstrating that transformation is a multifaceted process that involves more than just shedding pounds. By engaging with her audience while openly displaying the results of her surgery, Tammy has strengthened her connectivity with fans and underscored the importance of authenticity in the public eye. The timing of Tammy's public appearance following her surgery is significant. For many reality stars, sharing post-surgery results can be a daunting experience, with public scrutiny adding pressure to an already sensitive time. Tammy's approach, characterized by confidence and transparency, reflects her growth as both an individual and a public figure. By embracing her transformation and celebrating her achievements, she encourages others to view their own journeys with compassion, resilience, and hope. The impact of Tammy's skin removal surgery extends beyond personal transformation. It also serves as a cultural movement, highlighting the broader conversations around body image, self-acceptance, and the realities of weight loss journeys in the public sphere. Reality television often emphasizes dramatic moments in personal struggle, yet Tammy's story offers a narrative of perseverance, informed decision-making, and the tangible rewards of commitment and courage. Her willingness to openly discuss her surgery and recovery provides fans and observers with a nuanced perspective on the challenges associated with extreme weight loss and post-surgical adjustment. Healthcare professionals who follow Tammy's journey point out that skin removal surgery is an important part of post-weight loss care for many individuals. It addresses both physical discomfort and psychological well-being, offering a holistic approach to recovery. Tammy's visible results, combined with her positive engagement with fans, exemplify the transformative potential of this procedure when paired with ongoing support, healthy habits, and realistic expectations. Her experience may inspire others considering similar procedures to prioritize both their physical and emotional health, seek expert guidance, and approach their journey with patience and self-compassion. In addition to the physical and emotional aspects of her transformation, Tammy's public appearance underscores the power of fan engagement and community support. Her willingness to meet fans, answer questions, and share her experiences directly creates a sense of intimacy and authenticity. For many followers who have watched her struggles unfold over multiple seasons of 1000 lb Sisters, seeing Tammy confidently display her new body and openly discuss her journey offers validation, motivation, and hope. It demonstrates that perseverance, when paired with professional guidance and self-care, can lead to meaningful and empowering outcomes. Tammy's story also highlights the intersection of reality television and personal health narratives. Viewers are not just witnessing entertainment, they are observing a deeply human experience that combines vulnerability, determination, and personal growth. The visibility of her transformation may challenge stereotypes about weight loss, surgical interventions, and the realities of life after significant physical change. By embracing both the challenges and the successes, Tammy provides a powerful example of resilience and determination in the face of ongoing struggles. Looking ahead, Tammy's journey is likely to continue inspiring fans and fostering conversations around health, self-image, and the realities of extreme weight loss. Her skin removal surgery is a milestone, but it is also part of an ongoing story of growth, self-discovery, and empowerment. As she continues to engage with her audience, share updates, and navigate life post-surgery, her experience will remain a compelling and relatable narrative for those invested in her journey. Tammy Slaton's appearance at the recent fan event marks a turning point in her transformation story. By publicly showcasing the results of her skin removal surgery, she has not only highlighted the physical benefits of her procedure but also emphasized the emotional and psychological significance of this milestone. Her courage, transparency, and engagement with fans provide a meaningful narrative about perseverance, self-care, and personal growth, inspiring others to pursue their own paths toward health, confidence, and self-acceptance. In the ever-evolving landscape of reality television, Tammy's journey stands out as a testament to resilience, authenticity, and the power of sharing one's story. Her post-surgery appearance is more than a visual transformation, it is a celebration of determination, hope, and the human capacity to overcome challenges. For fans of 1000 lb Sisters and those inspired by stories of personal triumph, Tammy's experience offers both a visual and emotional reminder that transformation is possible and that courage, self-care, and support can lead to remarkable results. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.